Did you know that there is a special food that can help shrink an enlarged prostate? Stay tuned to learn more about how this food helps with prostate. The prostate is a small gland in men, roughly the size of a walnut, situated below the bladder and in front of the rectum. It surrounds the urethra, the tube through which urine flows out of the body. Where is the prostate found? Anatomically, the prostate is located just below the bladder and wraps around the urethra. This strategic position means that any changes in the size of the prostate can directly affect urinary functions. What are the functions of the prostate? The primary function of the prostate is to produce seminal fluid, a component of semen that nourishes and transports sperm during ejaculation. This fluid also plays a role in the alkalinity of semen, helping to neutralize the acidity of the vaginal tract and thereby protecting the sperm. What is considered an abnormal prostate? A healthy prostate is small and firm, with a smooth surface. However, as men age, it's common for the prostate to enlarge, a condition known as benign prostatic hyperplasia, also known as BPH. This enlargement is not cancerous but can cause significant discomfort and urinary issues. Signs of an abnormal prostate include difficulty urinating, a frequent need to urinate, and a weak urine stream. What is the impact of having an enlarged prostate? An enlarged prostate can lead to a range of urinary symptoms that can severely affect quality of life. These symptoms include frequent urination, especially at night, difficulty starting and stopping urination, weak urine stream, incomplete bladder emptying, urinary tract infections. If left untreated, severe BPH can lead to bladder damage, kidney damage, or the need for surgery. The one food to shrink an enlarged prostate. It is called lycopene. Lycopene is a powerful antioxidant found in several fruits and vegetables, most notably tomatoes. Studies have shown that lycopene can reduce the risk of prostate enlargement and may even shrink an already enlarged prostate. Lycopene works by reducing oxidative stress and inflammation in the prostate gland, thus promoting better urinary function and overall prostate health. Lycopenes are natural pigments belonging to the carotenoid family, responsible for the red and pink colors in fruits and vegetables like tomatoes, watermelons, and pink grapefruits. As a powerful antioxidant, lycopene helps protect cells from oxidative stress by neutralizing free radicals, unstable molecules that can cause cellular damage. Lycopene has garnered attention for its potential health benefits, particularly its role in reducing the risk of chronic diseases such as cardiovascular disease and certain types of cancer, including prostate cancer. Does lycopene have side effects? Lycopene is generally safe and is widely consumed as part of a healthy diet. However, in rare cases, excessive intake of lycopene, especially from supplements, can lead to a condition called lycopenemia, which causes a deep orange coloration of the skin, mostly noticed in hands. This condition is harmless and reversible once lycopene intake is reduced. It is always advisable to consult with a healthcare provider before starting any new supplement regimen to ensure it is appropriate for your individual health needs. What are natural sources of lycopene? Tomatoes are the richest source of lycopene, but it is also found in other red and pink fruits. These include watermelon, pink grapefruit, red peppers, papaya, guava. Including a variety of these lycopene-rich foods in your diet can help ensure you get enough of this beneficial nutrient. How to absorb more lycopene? To maximize lycopene absorption, it's best to consume tomatoes that have been cooked or processed, as cooking breaks down the plant cell walls, making lycopene more bioavailable. Tomato paste, sauce, and even high-quality sugar-free ketchup are excellent sources. Adding a little bit of healthy fat, such as extra virgin olive oil, can further enhance lycopene absorption. How to enhance lycopene effects? In addition to eating lycopene-rich foods, you can boost the benefits by combining them with other lifestyle changes. Diet. Incorporate a diet rich in high-quality proteins, low-glycemic fruits, vegetables, and healthy fats. Avoid processed foods, trans fats, and high sugar intake. Exercise. Regular physical activity helps maintain hormonal balance and reduces inflammation. Hydration. Drinking plenty of water supports overall urinary tract health. Supplements. In some cases, lycopene supplements can be an effective way to ensure adequate intake, especially if dietary sources are insufficient. Integrate these strategies into your daily routine, so you can enhance the effects of lycopene and support prostate health. In conclusion and to summarize today's video, understanding the importance of prostate health and the factors that contribute to its well-being is crucial, particularly for men as they age. The prostate, a small gland located just below the bladder and in front of the rectum, plays a vital role in the male reproductive system. It produces seminal fluid, which nourishes and transports sperm. Maintaining a healthy prostate is essential for optimal urinary and reproductive function. A normal prostate is small and firm, but with age, many men experience benign prostatic hyperplasia, also known as BPH, an enlargement of the prostate gland. BPH is not cancerous, but it can cause significant urinary symptoms such as frequent urination, difficulty starting and stopping urination, a weak urine stream, and incomplete bladder emptying. If left untreated, severe BPH can lead to bladder and kidney damage or necessitate surgery. One of the most promising natural remedies for an enlarged prostate is lycopene, a powerful antioxidant found abundantly in tomatoes and other red and pink fruits. Lycopene works by reducing oxidative stress and inflammation in the prostate gland, thus promoting better urinary function and overall prostate health. Scientific studies have demonstrated that lycopene can reduce the risk of prostate enlargement and even help shrink an already enlarged prostate. To incorporate lycopene into your diet, focus on consuming lycopene-rich foods. Tomatoes are the richest source, but lycopene is also found in watermelon, pink grapefruit, red peppers, papaya, and guava. Including a variety of these foods in your daily diet can help ensure you receive adequate amounts of this beneficial nutrient. For maximum lycopene absorption, it is best to consume tomatoes that have been cooked or processed, as cooking breaks down the plant cell walls, making lycopene more bioavailable. Tomato paste, sauce, and even high-quality sugar-free ketchup are excellent sources. Adding a small amount of healthy fat, such as olive oil, can further enhance lycopene absorption, allowing your body to make the most of this powerful antioxidant. Beyond diet, enhancing lycopene's effects can be achieved through a combination of healthy lifestyle choices. A diet rich in high-quality proteins, low glycemic fruits, vegetables, and healthy fats while avoiding processed foods and high sugar intake supports overall health. Regular physical activity helps maintain hormonal balance and reduces inflammation, further benefiting prostate health. Staying well hydrated, by drinking plenty of water, supports the urinary tract. In some cases, lycopene supplements can be an effective way to ensure adequate intake, especially if dietary sources are insufficient. By integrating these strategies into your daily routine, you can enhance the benefits of lycopene and support prostate health. Prioritizing a diet rich in lycopene, combined with a healthy lifestyle, can significantly impact your overall well-being, potentially reducing the risk of prostate enlargement and improving urinary function. This approach to prostate health can help men maintain their quality of life and enjoy better health as they age. So, the prostate is a crucial gland with significant functions in the male reproductive system. An enlarged prostate can lead to uncomfortable and potentially serious health issues. Lycopene, a potent antioxidant found in tomatoes and other red and pink fruits, offers a natural solution to help manage prostate health. By incorporating lycopene-rich foods into your diet and adopting a healthy lifestyle, you can support your prostate health and overall well-being, paving the way for a healthier future. Thank you for tuning in to Levitas. If you found this video helpful and informative, please be sure to share it with your friends and family, give it a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel, and hit the bell icon to receive notifications for future videos on weight loss, health, and fitness content. Also, leave a comment sharing your questions, thoughts, and experiences with today's subject. We love hearing from you. Your support is very appreciated. It helps us grow and create even more content for empowering you to achieve a better body and optimal health every week. Remember to fuel your body with the right nutrients, stay consistent with your training, and keep striving for your fitness goals. Until next time, remain tuned to Levitas for more expert advice to help you on your health and fitness journey. So, stay healthy, stay happy, and keep going.